See this video down below. It is 60 seconds long. Oh yeah, guess how many frames are in the animation. Now, let me tell you, there are 5,369 frames in this animation. Now imagine a book with 5,369 pages in there, and you have to draw a new thing in each page. Just imagine that. It is very, very, very understandable if you are not into animations, into cartoons or animes or any of that sort. But please, don't belittle the effort these animators put into their craft, because every second is important in the storytelling process. So these are 3 hurdles we faced at the content place when we're working on this particular project. So first things first, we had to break the language barrier to come up with the scripts for the animation. The artist in question raps predominantly in Yoruba, so we had to break each Yoruba rap into English so that every team member can understand. So the second challenge is having to unlearn a lot of things, because this was the first time that we picked up an action-based cartoon at the content place in a very long while. So we had to study how the body moves and react in combat situation. Lastly, my team taught our CEO the importance and virtue of patience. You know now, 5,000 frames. 5,000 plus frames. Yeah, I don't need to say too much on that. Until next episode, my people, never stop creating.